Hi friends, welcome back to Decorate Your Life. Today I'm sharing this beautiful fall pumpkin theme laminated traveler's notebook that I made with scrapbook papers that I designed. And what's so unique about this pocket-sized journal, you may ask? Well, it won't be for several months before I release this paper collection.
Grab your paper, grab your glue. There's a crafty world waiting for you. Digital paper, stationery too. DecorateYourLife.com. We're crafting something new.
Quite often when I design a new scrapbook paper collection, I make my own crafts with it to see how other crafters and DIY makers would use it. Lately, my favorite handmade items have been these cute pocket-sized traveler's notebooks, and I decided to use this new collection that won't be released till 2026. So this journal is truly a one-of-a-kind. This laminated traveler's notebook has all the components that so many of you ask for in my pocket-sized journals. From special details like the gold-tone grommets, the handmade beaded pens, to the 3-score lines that give my journals that flexibility, you continue to encourage me to create these perfect gifts that will stand the test of time. It's no secret that I like to use the pocket-sized composition notebooks that I absolutely love to alter. Not only have you asked me to add the quote-unquote sandy touch to these altered notebooks, but you also let me know just how much you appreciate me taking these alterations to the next level. This traveler's notebook will be uploaded to both websites, and you can check out the links in the description area below. And I want you to know that I haven't forgotten your requests on other styles of pocket-sized journals. I sincerely wish that there would be 3 of me so that I can keep up with your requests, running my businesses and everyday life. I'm not complaining, however. I thrive on hectic schedules. That's when my best ideas take flight. Tell me, do you also thrive on hectic schedules, or are you more of the siesta carefree life? Let me know in the comments section below. By the way, that blue corner pocket that you see on the back cover is just a temporary hold that I decided to use so that I can add more ephemera goodies for you to use in this traveler's notebook or any other craft project. You can leave it on if you wish, or peel it right off. If you decide to leave it on, you may want to reattach it with double-sided tape. I hope that you've enjoyed my laminated traveler's notebook project share. Make sure to check out the links in the description area below and check out our design team as well. I believe they may be holding some great sales just in time for the holiday season. Thank you for watching. I'll see you once again, real soon.
DecorateYourLife.com. We're crafting something new. We've got scrapbooking dreams and